Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications from my games on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the push notifications section you can find the second option, the notification settings, and in the general settings button you can find the first option, the notifications from my games, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.